Hello guys and girls, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to free a seized stopcock. So a stopcock that won't turn, or an old tap or anything like that. So what I've got here is I've got a stopcock under the sink, and I haven't touched this for probably 3 or 4 years, and it is seized. But before you get started, what you want is a nice cup of tea.
Hey, careful man, there's a beverage here, huh?
Oh, lovely. Right, let's get cracking. Right, so this stopcock is seized, so if I put my hand on it and try and turn it, it is not going to move. So you're going to need some WD-40 or similar. You're going to need a hammer, and you're going to need some pretty decent pliers. So I'll just show you what's happening. I'll just put my hand on here. Oops, the top's just come off. It just slides on. Literally cannot move it. So the first thing to do is just to spray some WD-40 on the joint in there where it turns. So get a good bit of WD-40 into there. And then my advice is probably leave it for 5 or 10 minutes just to let that soak in. I mean, oh, 5 minutes later. Right, 5 minutes later, so get your hammer, but do not whack this really hard. I mean, you're literally tapping it, but go both ways, tighten and untighten, just to try and release the seizure. I mean, I didn't want to hit it any harder than that. And then if it still won't move, what you can do, just get a little tea light candle. Be very careful obviously with a naked flame, and just heat up that metal rod there, just so the metal just starts expanding a little bit, and it just might help it free up. Heat is always a good thing, especially if you're on holiday. So now let's put a bit more WD-40 on here. Now it's nice and warm. And then get the pliers, put the pliers across like this. And yay, there we go, lovely. Obviously just be very wary of leaks, because you do not want to really force things hard when it comes to plumbing, because you don't want to be moving the plumbing joints around in the pipes. That's why with the hammer I didn't hit it too hard. So look, as you can see, this is moving nice and freely now. Really, every couple of years you should spray this with WD-40 and just turn it on and turn it off, just to make sure it doesn't seize. And that is the end. Thank you for watching, and if you found this useful or anything else useful on my channel, please subscribe. This is Lurgs, and I'll see you later.